So for this video, I'll be doing a Bantu knot out, and it'll be my first time doing one actually. So I'm gonna be using LottaBody products, and my hair looks super big right now because I blow dried it with cool air only. So it's not all the way blown out, but it is blow dried. So this is my blow dryer, and this is the cool button. So I turn it on this way, and then I press the cool button, and that is how I blow dry my hair. So for today's products, I'll be using the LottaBody Shape Me Custard Jelly. I'll be using the LottaBody Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream, and I'll also be using the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. So these are my 3 products for my Bantu knot out. So first, I'm just gonna start with sectioning my hair off. So I wanted to do these Bantu knots on stretched out hair just because, you know, shrinkage is crazy, and I've never really done like a stretched out style. So I'm going to take one piece from the bigger section, and I'm going to put on my Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. Then I'm gonna take the Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream and spray it on my hair. And after I do that, I will apply a little bit of this Shape Me Custard Jelly. So once I have those products applied, I am going to just detangle my hair a little bit more with a wide tooth comb. Then you're gonna take your section and just twist it all the way. So once your section is twisted, you're gonna take it and just wrap your hair around itself into a little ball. And what I like to do is just hold the root of my Bantu knot and wrap the rest of the hair around the root. So I will show you guys what I mean. And there you have a Bantu knot. have finished all the Bantu knots, and I'm going to sleep with these in my hair, and then I will show you guys the results of my Bantu knot out. So my Bantu knots are all dry now, and I'm going to take them out, but I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on my fingers while I'm taking out my Bantu knots. So I'm just going to slowly unravel these. And they're kind of just coming undone themselves, so it's a really easy process. Now I'm just going to gently separate and fluff out my coils. Alright, so I have taken out all the Bantu knots and I've separated my curls, and the very last step that I'm going to do is pick it out with my pick. So that will be the very last step for this, and I will also lay my edges down as well. So those are the last steps for this look. So I'm trying to decide if I want a middle part or if I want a side part or this side. I usually have my part on this side, so that's what I'm leaning towards. But you know, a side part could be cool as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it out and then I will decide. My hair literally feels so soft and lightweight. You guys know I use these LottaBody products, and this Shape Me Custard Jelly is a long-lasting hold, tames frizz, and adds moisture. And it's no flaking, anti-shrinkage, non-greasy, non-drying formula, super lasting curls, waves, and twists, perfect for curly or straight hair. And you guys, I absolutely love this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, this came out way better than I thought it was going to, and I'm super pleased. These LottaBody products have my hair feeling so moisturized, but my curls are also defined and bouncy. You guys, definitely comment below what you think, if you think this was a success or a fail. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it helped.